just looks like one of them little headlight
flashlights. Dude, if you have a flashlight like this, okay. I'm coming.
So go easy on me. Invest in a better hammer. Oi, bring that back.
Look at my hammer.
He's just taxed it and run away. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Brown.
And I'm Sticks.
We're out here at Brown Dam today. We're hoping to get in some bass and that over the next couple of days, maybe some Saratoga if we're lucky. We're going to play around with a couple options and see what we can get into. We're hoping the weather plays ball.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a big storm coming through tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes and we'll play it by ear, I think. But
yeah, but we'll keep you updated. If that doesn't work, we might get into some forward driving. Never know. So cheers.
Now would be a really bad time for a caravan to come past. That can be our new show name, Squashed.
Be a very short first episode.
This is legitimately a tow cam.
Then later down the track, when people get curious, we can get them to pay to see.
Tow only fans, you heard it here first, Cody. If you're keen on that, let me know.
Yep. Absolute tank. This is a bit dangerous on 14. Hey! Yee! Ah. Nah, he'd be alright. Not huge, but he's alright. Stop it. Hey? Oh, you'll get one too. That looks way too good, eh? Alright. Well guys, just flicking the little Daiwa bait junkie around some of these fallen timber, and I've got a little bass. He's no monster, but he went pretty hard for his size. They're always fun when you get your lure up nice and tight to the structure and then they just smash it when you're rolling it out. But no, he's a beautiful little fish. They're always really healthy in these wild creeks, so we'll just get the hook out and give him a swim and send him home.
Man, hot. How fast do you want to send it under here, bro?
I don't really know, hey. I don't really want to cop a bolt to the head.
I'm running around. It looks kind of shallow here.
Yeah, it is.
My initial reconnaissance says shallow.
He's going the outside.
I'm almost sure you'll beat me.
See, if you were smart, you would have taken this way.
I was thinking about it. I'm just bloody grounded now.
Oh no, I've spoken way too soon.
Does it go up there as well?
No! Come on. Oh, we're through. Kind of? No?
I'm a beached whale right now, man.
Hey, you got it.
Oh, all in a day's work. Don't forget, scary.
Yep. Huzzah! He's not too bad. Okay. All right. Well, the bait junkie claims another victim. Same deal, just casting up nice and tight to the structure and then rolling it out. And I let this one sink a little bit actually, so it must have been down a little bit deeper in the sticks and things that are on the bottom, and he came up and crunched it. So super, super stoked to get some of these fish. They are just so awesome. Like, oh, just the hit, the fight, the place you're in, everything about it. It's just pretty epic. So anyway, I'll
Got one.
Hey, Sticks is on two.
I got one.
Double.
I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one. Okay, he's gonna be angry as, so I'm just gonna prep myself to get spiked. Oh, he is mad. He is very mad. Caught a fish. That was mint. That was perfect. I haven't caught a fish yet today. So that was the easiest bass of my life. There's like all these little sticks there and like, I don't know, a meter and a bit of water. And I just plop my little bait junkie right on the edge of them. And just let it sink and then start whining and bang, on. It was great. I loved it. First fish of the day for me. And I'm loving it. Not huge. He'd be like 25, I reckon, maybe, if you're lucky on a good day. If you're hungry, he'd be 25. Actually, I don't even know what the legal size for these things are. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that lure in there, but he cranked it. So he's a good looking fish, nice and fat. I'm just gonna get the hook out and we'll set him free. He's probably gonna splash me, so. Oh no, yeah. Nice. Very happy with that. Using a little 2.5 inch bait junkie, and I think it's pearl gudgeon. It's got like a little nice flecks of gold, green and red in it, so nice and sparkly, but natural enough that it doesn't stand out too much. So I love it already. So anyway, I'm gonna get another one.
Well, another one bites the dust. That's 3 on the board for me, and you got 2?
One.
1. Oh, bugger.
I know.
But no, he's no monster, but they just fight so hard in these little tight confines and things. Sorry, I'm running into you there, Cody. But no, they're epic little fish. They're just amazing, and particularly catching them in places like this, you just can't beat it. So we'll give him a swim and let him go.
Oh, let's get this show on the road, eh? Okay, we've made a move. We've gone and got some lunch from Imbil, which is pretty yummy. I had a smoky dog. Well, I think that's what they call it. It's like a sausage roll. Anyway, and now we're at Lake Barumba, I think. It's pretty good, pretty open dam. And so we're just flicking this bank for a bit. None of us have a sounder, so it's a bit hard. So yeah, we'll just be flicking the banks and doing same old, trying to find the bass.
Well, with the sort of, well, I don't want to call it storm activity because I'm still on the water and I don't exactly want to turn into a human barbecue. But I'm swapping over to a surface fly rather than the sinking option that I had just then. Because I'm hoping that there's either some bass or some Saratoga holding on these in tight to the bank. And maybe the soft ring will get the job done.
This is a new day. This is day three. Didn't catch anything, and we decided to call it quits pretty early because the rain and the thunder were coming in pretty quick.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of waving around 6 to 9 foot fishing rods in the oncoming storms. So we decided we'd head out of there pretty early, came back, had some dinner, and then battened down the hatches because the forecast was for a storm to roll through with some possible H word, the dreaded hail. But that didn't end up eventuating. So we just had a lovely sleep, woke up this morning, it's now raining, and we're going to do our favourite thing, which is packing up wet canvas in the rain.
Yeah, so we're just going to make a coffee and then we're going to go get some brekkie from the bakery and then head home, I think.
Yeah, I got the smoky dog calling my name.
Yeah.